Hello?
Why is there a bomb in the room?
What bomb? What happened?
Okay, some crazy professor dressed up like Santa broke into the room, dropped off this box with the bomb, took a bunch of paper, and then just left.
Well, then leave.
The door's locked. He ran out and shut the door and locked from the outside.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I can't really help you.
I don't know, there's this some weird puzzle, and I don't know what the heck it is. It says I have to prove whether this argument on this piece of paper is sound or unsound, and if I pick the wrong one, then the bomb will blow up and I will die. I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, you have to solve a logic problem, right? Can you not do that?
Can you help me?
Well, I usually just guess. I mean, that's what I normally do. Sleep through class and guess on the test.
How is that going to help me? I have a 50-50 chance of dying. I don't want to die.
Well, I have no idea. You're getting kind of annoying, so you better figure this out. Maybe you should die.
Thanks. Okay, so basically the argument has to be sound or unsound, but it's so absurd, and so it can't be sound, but, well, maybe, I don't know, so maybe it's sound? Alright, so I move the switch to sound.
Oh no. Looks like you died. Guess I'll get an A in the class. Hey, what's up?
Why is there this giant bomb in the room?
Mom? What happened?
Some professor broke into the room, dropped a bomb, a bunch of paper, and then just left.
Oh my gosh.
There's this weird puzzle, and I don't know what it is. It says I have to prove this argument sound or unsound, and if I pick the wrong one, I'm supposed to move the switch. If I pick the wrong one, then I will blow up and die. What do I do?
Well, do you need some help? I mean, I am taking logic class, and I kind of understand what's going on. I have a solid B average.
Okay, well, I'm definitely going to need help. I've never taken a logic class, and I've never solved a problem in my life. Where do I start?
Well, you said you had to figure out if it was sound or unsound, right?
Yeah.
Well, if an argument is sound, then it's true. So you just have to figure out if the argument's true or not.
That's all? That doesn't sound so hard, but I don't know what the problem's talking about. Well, okay, so that part seems true, and that part seems true, maybe, so it's sound?
Yeah, that sounds like it'll work.
Okay.
Katie? Katie? Oh no. I think she just died. Hello.
Hey, why is there a giant bomb in the room?
What bomb? There should not be a bomb in our room.
Yeah, some crazy professor broke into the room, dropped off this bomb, well, threw it in here, with paper, and then just ran off and left.
Well, you surviving a bomb explosion is very not gonna happen, so therefore you should leave.
I can't. The doors are locked, and he left this weird puzzle, and I don't know what the heck it is. And it says I have to show whether this argument is sound or unsound, and if I pick the wrong one, then the bomb is going to blow up and I'm going to die.
Well, that's really easy. I've been taking the logic class this semester, so I know exactly how to do it. So, what's the problem?
It says I can't tell anyone what the problem is, or it will automatically self-destruct.
Okay, well, can I tell you how to solve it?
Well, there's nothing that says you can't, so yeah, please, I don't want to die.
So, here's what happens. First thing you must know is if the argument is valid. So, is it?
And how do I do that?
Well, first you have to make a table with a column for each premise and each conclusion. And then, after you do that, you have to circle, or you have to make sure you've labeled whether the premises, all the instances where they can be true or false, and all the combinations of them. So you end up with a table with a bunch of T's and F's in it. And then you go through and circle where each premise is true, and then you box where all the premises are true and the conclusion is true. And then you look to see if in all the cases where the premises are true, that the conclusions are true. And if that's the case, then it's a valid argument. But if it's not the case, even if there's just one case where both premises are true and the conclusion is false, then the argument is not valid.
Alright, so they're all true, all the premises, and when all the premises are true, all the conclusions are true. So, it's valid?
So now you've determined that it's valid, you have to determine whether the premises are actually true.
Let me see. No, they're not.
Well, then the argument's not sound.
But it's valid?
Yeah, but it's not sound, and all you had to figure out is if it was sound or not.
So I switched the button to unsound. Alright, thank you so much.
I'll see you at dinner tonight. Bye.